Welcome to Montgomery Drive in Spencer's Wood. I'm about to give you a walkthrough tour of this very nice 3-bedroom semi-detached family home just behind me right here. The property has been upgraded and improved by the current owners. You'll see the cladding is a sort of dark grey effect. This has been modernised, replaced from the original sort of timber cladding. So they've also got some better insulation behind that, which has improved the energy efficiency rating. Beautifully presented throughout, all very modern. In terms of parking, the property has a parking space just where you see the red car there, and also there's a further parking space just beyond that, and another space behind the gates, sort of access to the rear garden as well. So I'll show you that shortly as we walk through the house. But it really is a lovely house. If you'd like further details, if you'd like to talk to us about a viewing, do get in touch, and we'll be happy to show you around. But for now, let's take a walk round. The property has got a nicely block paved area here to the front, and you'll see the front garden is very much low maintenance with area of gravel as well. And then this is where the other parking space is. So concrete driveway, and then beyond the gates, as I mentioned, is another parking space. So as we come through the front door, we come into a small entrance lobby. Really useful space for coats and shoes and all those sort of bits and pieces. It's got a nice tiled floor and a storage cupboard just behind the door to keep everything hidden away. A further glazed door then takes us into the main entrance hall. All the decor throughout is very clean, very tidy, and very modern. There is a downstairs WC. And as I turn right into the living room, it's a nice big frontal aspect window. Nice sized room, very usable. As you can see, they've got some furniture ideal for TVs and the like. Of course, stairs just ahead of me there. And then walking down the entrance hall, kitchen at the far end, and just to my right, we've got a double width cupboard which offers some really good storage. And there is also some understairs storage area as well. Okay, so a very nicely presented kitchen dining room, lovely and light, with space for table and seating in the middle. And you'll see space for range cooker with extractor above, as well as dishwasher, washing machine. And then if I spin round further, on this side we've got a large fridge space, and then tumble dryer, wine fridge, etc. Wall mounted panel radiator there, which is quite a good space saver. And just a very nice space to cook and entertain. From the kitchen then leading into the conservatory, which, as you might expect, is a lovely bright room. It's not fully glazed, which again is quite nice because it makes it feel like more of a room than just a simple conservatory. Tiled floor. There is also a radiator in here as well. This glazed pane looking back into the kitchen. It's a good sized room, and of course opens onto the lovely garden, which we'll go to next. So stepping out from the conservatory, you'll see you've got a nice area of lawn, well enclosed with good quality fencing, some nice flower and shrub borders. Looking back towards the house, again the same sort of dark grey cladding and obviously nice clean white UPVC soffits, fascias and of course windows. Nice patio area, space for table and seating, and just round to this side the garden extends. It's all been paved, so you can see we've got space here for a couple of nice big storage sheds, and then I mentioned a further parking space which is just here. Okay, so to the first floor, let's start with the master bedroom, which is front facing. Nice sized double room. As you see, they've got a large bed here, so comfortable space. They've also got some freestanding wardrobes, but again, just shows you how much storage you can actually fit into the room, really. And then bedroom 2, again comfortably a double. In fact, there is a double bed here, just lacking a mattress. So looking out towards the garden, there is a built-in double wardrobe just here. And just to kind of give you a bit of a view through the blinds into the garden beyond. Finally, bedroom 3, which is a very good size for third bedroom. Usually these are typically a box, and this definitely isn't. Comfortably accommodating a typical single bed, but also some bedside units either side. Again, looking out to the front of the property, and very nicely decorated as the rest has been. And then the bathroom, which is modern, 3-piece, white suite, glass shower screen with shower over. Most of the walls are tiled, certainly all around the bath, tiled floor, and a nice sink and toilet unit with some useful storage underneath. There is also, I will just before I finish mention on the landing, there are 2 storage cupboards, one just here to my left, just outside the bathroom, which I think is kind of airing cupboard, although there's no tank in there any longer. And then just towards the third bedroom, there's another storage cupboard there. So lots of useful storage. So that basically concludes the video for today. Hopefully you like what you see. If you'd like some further details, as I mentioned earlier in the video, do get in touch. We're starting to book viewings in now for the coming days. Thank you for watching.